Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can farm the robots farm airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now robots farm is a gamified decentralized exchange, and it's basically a multi-chain decentralized exchange with lower fees as compared to Uniswap. Now if we go to their website over here, as you can see, there would be the token launch in like 6 days. So you still have like 6 days to go ahead and farm this airdrop. Now, if you want to go ahead, you can join my guild on Robert's Farm and you can farm this airdrop. I will leave the link in the description for sign up. So as you can see, there is this airdrop game which you can play every 24 hours. So if I click on farm now, as you can see, there are this quest that you can do over here. So basically you get like free raffle tickets every day over here. And if we go back, you can see that they have mentioned that it's basically a gamified exchange. So if you swap on Robert's Farm, then basically you would be getting more of these tokens over here. And if we talk about the chain, it currently supports the Ethereum, zk Sync, Arb, Op, Binance, Polygon Base, Avalanche, and Phantom. And the next thing is like they have this liquidity farming, and as you can see, they have mentioned like it's a 5-digit APY. So that means the overall APY for providing liquidity on Robert's Farm would be like more than 10,000%, which is a good thing. So as soon as I receive some of these tokens, I will go ahead and put them in the liquidity pool in order to get some juicy APY. Now if we go to swap and earn over here, you can basically swap in between different tokens on different chain over here. So as you can see, if you want to swap your Ethereum to some other token on the Ethereum network, you can check what all tokens are available. So as you can see, some of them are meme coins and some of them are like decentralized exchange tokens and some mainnet tokens. So you can check on which basically a layer 1 or layer 2 you want to go ahead and swap it. Now if we go to airdrop over here, as you can see, there is a daily raffle also where you have the option to participate it daily, like you get basic tickets and you also have the chance to get up to 5000 tokens and 50 points every day. So if you are lucky enough and you win the raffle, then you get more of this airdrop over here. So this one is like a daily zk Sync raffle, which is like a limited edition, and this is like daily multi-chain raffle. So I'm playing this on base every day. So if you want, you can go ahead and choose the network whichever you want. Now there are also few other games over here. At the start, once you sign up on Robot Farm, I think you will be getting somewhere around 20 points over here. So this game you can play for free, and you can play this like every 24 hours. And over here basically you can use your 20 points in order to get some items on Robots Farm. Now if you go to item section over here, as you can see, you can check what all items you have received, and basically these items would be used to open this airdrop crate over here. So more the items you have, more airdrop crate you would be able to open, and more points you will be earning over here. Now if we go to swap and earn, and in the earn basically you have the option to earn like shards over here. So if we go ahead and click on it, as you can see, it's showing me the option to go ahead and swap it. So more swap, more shards you will be earning over here. Now they also have something called as staking, which would be coming after the token launch. So once the token generation event is done, basically you can add your RBF tokens, which is Robot Farm token, into different liquidity pools. So there is like RBF to ETH liquidity, RBF to BTC, USDT, and USDC, and there are few others also coming in the future. So I think as per them, the APY should be 5-figure APY hopefully. And in the final thing, you can basically go ahead and check all your assets, whatever you have received from the raffle tickets, and basically the items that you have earned. And you can also check your rank on the leaderboard, and on the dashboard basically you can create your free web3 name over here. And if you want to go ahead and actually build your own guild, you can go ahead and build your own guild. Now on this wallet, actually my tokens are pretty less, but you can go ahead and play this game for absolutely free. Now there are some things that might require some funds. So basically for swap you will require some funds in between swapping, but rest of the things are free. Now if you want to go ahead and get some items over here, you can also get them in the secondary market on Element Marketplace, if you want to go it. If not, then basically you can farm this for free as of now for the final 6 days, and hopefully you are lucky in one of these raffles, you might get a lot of tokens for absolutely free. So these are some of the steps that you can do in order to farm the robots farm airdrop. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.